Hello everybody, and today I'm reviewing the new cigar from Floridita, the Floridita Gold. This is a departure from their normal line of cigars, which are pretty full-bodied. Obviously, La Floridita is looking to capture some of the mild to medium market, and this is an Ecuadorian Connecticut wrapper. Has a Honduran binder and a Nicaraguan and Honduran long fillers. It's a very well made looking cigar. Feels nice. Very good test draw, very effortless. I'm a little curious to see if this is going to be mild, medium, or what. The initial flavors would be something on the par of almond, roasted almonds. There's some vanilla in there, and cinnamon. That's the first initial puff, so let's let it take a little time to get its flavors going, and I'll be right back. Now that I've gotten about an inch in, the cigar has settled into very nice cinnamon, lots of pepper, and it has notes of orange, citrus, and vanilla. There are, on the finish, which is rather long, it's one of vanilla and raw almonds, pretty much a 50-50 split. So the cigar is starting out nice. Has some richness to it, which is nice, and I'll be back at about the midpoint to update. Well, I'm back before the midpoint, but I wanted to point out something that just occurred shortly after I left you. The flavors changed to, well, the cinnamon is still very prominent, but there is a sweet orange citrus that now has equaled the cinnamon. The finish now is still long, but it's more of a rich vanilla. So the cigar has made a change or so, and nice taste actually. So I thought I would point that out, and that's it for now. I will be back. Well, I'm about at the midpoint. As you can see, I'm almost at the band. It'll be time to remove the band here. But the cigar has made another little, has continued to change or evolve. What we've got now is the cinnamon is still there, but it has now been almost overtaken by the orange citrus and rich vanilla. The rich vanilla and orange citrus have combined to make a very flavorful cigar. The pepper is still there. It tends to linger. I can feel it now on the palate. The finish is one still of rich vanilla with subtle almond notes, fairly roasted almond notes. So at the midpoint, the cigar has changed to one of cinnamon, sweet orange citrus, and rich vanilla. Those three main flavors, almost in an equal split, make up the what you taste when you draw it, and then the finish hasn't changed that much. It's still a mixture of vanilla and roasted almond. But the pepper on both ends lingers nicely. So at this point, it's a nice cigar, and I'll be back in the final third. cigar continues to be nice. It's very rich. The richness of the orange citrus notes and vanilla notes really make this a nice cigar. At this point, there's even another note. The roasted almonds have made an appearance in a big way into the spice. So the cinnamon, the split at this point will be the orange and vanilla, followed by the cinnamon, followed by the almonds. And that's what you taste when you at this point in the final third of the cigar. The pepper is always there, sort of in the background, but it's nice. It lingers on the palate, on the finish, and the finish is still one of vanilla for the most part, and some roasted almonds. Um, the only negative I can tell you about this cigar is in the final half to third, final third, there was just the slightest bit of bitterness that I encountered, and that's not enough to kill the cigar, but it is worth pointing out. Other than that, the cigar was very enjoyable. Um, it burns very evenly, as you can tell. It has a very nice flavor. This would make a nice everyday type cigar. These are quite affordable. FamousSmoke.com has these, and I think they pretty much exclusively handle the Floridita, but you can check their website out. If you look at the blog, I have a link in the blog for their website and these cigars. Quite nice, quite rich. All in all, this cigar I am giving a score of 90. Very good, very worthwhile to buy, and I believe you would like this. It is on the par of medium, and this is a straight out medium cigar, even though it's Connecticut. Not overly mild. Very nice. For Floridita Gold.